5, 4, 3,
Okay, there
2,
is it.
1.
Is that a drink or a fart?
It's a drink. How was it a fart?
Maybe it was a liquid bomb.
Oh, you got me.
Dank margarine stick.
Sometimes my dream is to get directly into the eyeball.
You know how it is, dude.
What?
Never done that before, Tommy.
No? But you?
Yeah, you're missing out, dude.
Don't
When we
think
kill
yes.
it, we can do it, dude.
Yes. Oh, we're gonna have that simple.
Whoa. What was this? Oh.
Boy, my boy.
I didn't want to revival them, but I don't know what else.
So let's...
Was meant
to be
revival.
Yeah, it
but
was
like,
fine.
People were low.
Loaf is next with strength.
Tranquility.
We're time with our lives here. Tommy next. Fjord is next with V.
He thought kebab.
Yes. Just now. Here's just
Yeah,
next.
it's just been next.
Loaf is here with V. Tommy next.
Healing time. Spirit moon.
Fjord is next. Loaf is next.
What's up?
Tommy.
You got the boss.
Zero.
Up in front.
Single.
Next one is Fiolis on Aura Mastery.
Or mastery.
Spel on 1000 please.
Next one is Lofis on Personals.
Okay.
Tommy next with Trank.
Externals, go.
Tranquility.
Yes. Single.
At your sides. The blobs are fine, the blobs are fine.
Oh, hello crime boss.
Matt, shut up. Oh, hello, that's...
Long time no see. Races that you think is the Asian accent.
What else would you think?
For thinking it's racist.
Thomas, go boys, this is a mega battle.
Never.
I got this.
Right one. Top on right, top on right.
Whoa.
It's fine.
Careful at the back of top, and there's no an indicator.
I got this. Let's go.
I got this.
Next class, please. chill
Yeah.
left, chill left.
I'm popping.
Okay, just run down, it's gonna drive on those.
Healing tide.
Please don't go down, Star.
It's 20 yards, man.
In the room. And run.
Bomb is out.
Only 2 minutes. Look up here.
Bats coming.
Birds. Run them away from yellow and get yellow.
Max single.
Come to yellow. Wave.
Come through the wave.
Tranquility.
This fuel is here.
Single on me.
Okay, kill it now before next charge.
Breath.
Breath, hunters.
It's a skull of another.
Go under the king minutes, boys.
Look where melee is, so watch out with the breath.
Come in.
Single.
Single.
The red, everyone. Red. Just run through this, run through.
Cocoon.
Rex.
Cocoon.
One more being there, everyone. Hunters, go, this is survival. Moving from the moon. From the moon. And run back, wait forwards, and continue running.
Smack the moment.
Watch it.
Flagging.
Get it. Get it.
Freeze lag. For
That's one.
kill the ads in the back.
Get the star, and stun them away from star.
Oh,
Run boys. Finish them here, finish the odds. Okay, this is immunity hunters.
Single Mac.
single. Pass.
Go hunters.
Healing tide.
Next is you, Tommy. Run through here.
Top me off now.
Helya up here, and Tommy in 3 seconds.
Well,
Go,
boost
Tommy.
fast. 3 charges. 2 I mean.
Wait,
One more.
wait. Go to skull now.
That's Helya.
Fall across.
Come back, boys.
Fall across.
Come back. Far back if this works.
Ads
Watch
are
the
gonna
ball.
come.
I'm
Red
so this one.
and
Second
ads.
one.
Yeah, dispel that, please.
Acceleration.
Stop.
Waiting to him.
Tranquility.
Kill the
Full
ads.
mastery.
Get the purple. Get the red.
Yeah, I'm
get
working.
the red.
I'm working.
Get the red. As close to red as you can, boys. Don't be on moon.
Single.
All the way to the right. In the back on moon.
Single.
Back on moon. In the back on moon. Good. In the link. Orbs on moon now. Orbs on moon.
You're taking mariner.
Too soon.
Yes.
Block it. Fuel is V. Fuel is V. Single. Passing.
Can you take it?
Left side, red watch.
Yeah.
Okay, you go. I'll take it.
Can anyone get raised?
Go to star. Run. And run all the way
Single
up now
flat.
ranged. Run all the way up. Stun these dots. I cannot master spell. It's a single spell. I'll master spell next one.
Can you cloak? You're taking
Master
left
spell next
next
one. Go all the way up.
Huh?
Boys.
It's level, yeah.
All the way up. Rest people, just rest people. Rest people. Rest people. Throw out heads.
Come on, rest them. Accept.
I'm out of range.
So, don't get caught by the slides here.
Come on, nuke him, please.
Press it,
Loaf is V. Loaf is V.
Please kill the boss.
Come on.
Please kill the boss.
Yes!
Yeah!
Thanks, bro.
Finally,
Oh, so fucking good.
I don't even feel happy.